up, everybody? I'm Matt, Empire Auto Spa. I am the vehicle installer of all parts, wraps, paint protection, parts. I do lowering kits, lifting kits. I do a little bit of everything here. So today we're gonna be working on this 2021 BMW M8. This has already been here once. It got a stealth wrap done to it, and it's back for more goodies. The goodies that we get to do on this, as you can see down here, here's a few of them. We have a K&W lowering kit that we're gonna put on it. We have a programmer for it, wheel spacers, new paddle shifters. We got a little bit of everything as far as goodies for the car. This is not a car you probably see too many do a bunch of stuff to because it's already a cool car. This is the M8 competition. This is about a $130,000 car, and this hasn't even reached its break-in period yet. Even cooler for the guy doing all this to it. So by the time we're done doing all this, he'll be able to take it to the dealership, go through his break-in period, and go have fun. So with that said, this car is cool, and we're gonna make it even cooler. We're gonna start with the lowering springs. As you can see, we've unboxed everything, gone through, make sure all the parts are here, make sure you've got all your cool little parts, all pretty, super nice set. K&W makes an awesome kit. I recommend anybody who is an installer, you may know what you're doing, but let's always keep in mind they give you directions for a reason. So skim through them, make sure all your parts are here that you're supposed to have, and then you get to go and have fun and make it low. All right, so we're back with the finished product. You get to get a little rundown now of exactly what we did, a recap of everything. So again, we did a K&W lowering spring kit on the car. As you can see, it's not a big drop, but it's significant enough for this car that you really notice it. This car, when we first got it, was probably about 2.5 fingers you could get in there. And as you can see now, we can get about 1 finger in there. Wheel gap is super nice. The other plus for this now is we did wheel spacers on it. The wheel spacers, everybody knows wider is better, better traction. So now the car will handle a lot better being lowered. Wheel spacers gonna give a lot of rundown for the car to be able to do its performance runs, just like it was made to do. We also were able to add a chip to the car. It's gonna increase the horsepower. This car was dynoed from the factory at 715. Horsepower, and he's gonna get about 100 more horsepower out of the car, so they should put him about 815, maybe a little bit more. We also got some ceramic window tint put on the car, help protect from Florida heat. That's what we deal with every day here. Best tint on the market for sure. All right, and the last thing we did to wrap this car up, we did away with these cute little paddle shifters, and we put some nice ones in, so take a look. As you can see, we went from this cute little piece here. Now we've got these nice gray aluminum, and they're a lot bigger, so it makes it easier to grab when you're slamming gears around. That's gonna wrap up everything on this project. Hope you guys enjoy what's coming up. How's the voice? Good, good, good?
Yeah.
All right.
Huh?
Huh?
I got it pretty
Oh, okay.
This
Out! We gotta do video. Stand guard. Nobody comes through the door. That squeaky is hell of annoying. We ready? All right.